Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to make or take slow motion video in your Mi Note 14 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start the video friends. You have to click on camera. Now just click on more. You will see here it is slow motion. You can see the icon also. Just tap on it and it is now selected. You can adjust the zoom by 1x and 2x like this. Now just take the angle and click on this to start, and this is how you can do to make it slow. And this is now captured. I show you how it works. This to start. And friends, you can see how slowly the camera moves. This is how you can make your slow motion video in very quick minutes. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.